Church Lane level crossing in Nottinghamshire. There we go. Now, the time now is 11:38 on Monday the 4th of August 2025, and this is for our 11:42 1 Alpha 25 London North Eastern Railway Intercity 225 service from Leeds to London's King's Cross. Our final special open day of the year with free entry and several vintage vehicles giving rides around the area, thank you. Not £93 to sit there for 2 minutes and waste it, or to sit in the flake and not get a free ice cream. Corporate greed.
It was either a 99 for £4 or go on the 99 for £10.
Or go in the 93 that starts service imminently for fucking £93 that nobody's got in cause he lives. Like 30 entry, 93 for that, 120 odd pounds off the go without any travel expenses put in place. Let's say you've travelled in a long way for that, you spend practically £200 for a unit that shouldn't be worth more than 9, because you can have it for free in about 3 weeks, and go from there. Absolutely ridiculous. Come on, Heaton and Ashford, show us how it's bloody done. Was you're still waiting for the raffle that was never drawn? Because you're lost and that cost 50 quid a ticket.
No, £5.
That's worse.
Well, Great Ormond Street and
Oh,
GB
goody.
Rail Freight.
Goody, I like them. At least it don't go to a farce. But the bar's set low, Heaton and Ashford are going to throw it sky high and then do the fucking long jump.
It should be set 70 with 106.
Van whoop-de-doo. Here we go. Oh, I didn't see any of that because it was in the way. Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next closure. That's me. I swear that's slowed up. There we go. Now, the time now is 11:47. This is for our 11:52 Hull Trains Paragon service from Hull to London's King's Cross. I recorded my fucking face instead of the wee woos.
Apparently he's Andrew.
Am I?
I thought you were Ben Cole.
Oh, not him. It was him, and he looks a lot worse for wear. Because Alex confirmed it. The guy that's ignored by him about 50 times a year. Which makes it seem better than it is, but it's not. I thought that was growing hers for a second then. Train heading northbound yet because of forecasted severe weather later today. With a code black for LNER services that have not ran through Sunderland for a good year. However, during the December timetable change, everything through here is completely retimed. You must check the revised time of your journey, A, before booking your tickets, and B, before travelling.
We may also be possibly staying for the train. The 11:52 train from King's Cross to Leeds on Newark Northgate timetable.
I'm not on that one. I'm using the football club, supposedly. Well, the nearest football club is a youth group down Barnby Road. Near the woos that always give you a constant fucking migraine. And they've put a new estate in and they've kept the volume really high. Come on, you're not down fucking West Brex Lane where there's nothing and nobody. Turn them down a bit. Yeah, be Stayingtons.
Here comes the
Although
train.
Bathley's not been cleared again yet.
Choo choo.
Fuck knows, didn't see it all mashed together.
William and Wilberforce, 802304, to London King's Cross via Grantham.
Yeah, so we were cleared. Bartley's currently at a danger, so they were sent in the sky. And that's extremely fucking loose, that side. If you get a freight train there, it'll fucking take off. Oh, that's good. Xander's got me all of the blinds for the 53 as far as Raisin. So Laceby, Caborn, Caister, Nettleton and Halton Limua. That Hull train's Paragon Umo. Probably. What is it? Could be a Hull train's Paragon Umo. They've got two, I think. Because that's left. Still wants to reinstate the driver that fell asleep at the controls. Failing to realise they'll be wasting a lot more time than they're ever going to bring back. For the sake of demonising safety. And demoralising their whole representation.
Here it comes, and we've got.
Can we see it, or is it in the way of itself? Because I can't see it yet. It's going slowly though, but not having any calls. Very slowly. Extremely slowly, guys. And we've got 27. Yep, way too close for the next one to pull these up.
And we're staying for another one.
The 11:57 service from London King's Cross to Newcastle. I hate saying it that way.
To Newcastle only. It's 803005.
Is it?
Yeah.
It doesn't say.
Someone's seen it on RailCam.
Oh, how do you know it's not 802305? And which one's still with Lumo at the minute? I think their sets are due for exams. Then if Hull weren't missing staff because of an easily solvable case, Lumo would have no service. Go away. Right. So those roofs there I can't see through the bushes. But this was a long one, guys. We've got about 10 minutes worth in half an hour, ignoring we had to wait 20 minutes for the first train. To knock that out, we've practically got 10 in 10.
Here comes the blue train.
No. It's not red, orange and purple today then. That's a shame.
Not covered in Smurf.
He's crawling as well. Is there a bloody TSR on this line somewhere? It feels slow. Five. That was a piggy in the middle.